just witnessed Major 1050. Log me on 1096. Got a guy in a Mustang.
29 shows a few minor infractions. Up.
Okay, target has, been into a substation.
Federal authorities on scene. Regular pursuit, fall back and monitor. We'll call you if we need you. Unit disabled. I need a 1070 right now.
See if you can hurry up to the center lane. Spikes are ready to go.
Unit 6-3, 1023.
We got a roadblock up ahead, ready to take him on.
Yeah, vehicle's through the roadblock.
Fine, you got it. Stay with him.
This has been going on too long. What do you want to do, guys? Copy that. Can we get more air support out here?
I got spikes in the center. Keep this side, boys. Pursuit, be advised. Roadblock up ahead.
Repeat, 1036 at my 20. Now move. He's blocking me, I can't get in.
Please be advised, 1067 on the left side of the road.
That's it. He flowed down through the block.
Negative on the stop, he's still running. Started passing a high school. Head over the football field now. Pursuit's now southbound.
Going in for 1045. Roll back now.
Yeah, that's right, keep it tight. Don't let him out. Unit disabled. Yeah, I need a 1070 now.